everyone, welcome back. It's Jyoti.
And Shruti, what's up, Joe?
What's up? What's up? Are you ready for a blockbuster?
Already, we know it's a blockbuster. Everybody's loving it. Like
Nami.
sab kuch aise craziness.
Yeah, a lot of. I think also people don't message that much like before. कि कहाँ हैं आप? गाना आ गया. So thank you.
हाँ, उनको पता ही है.
Yeah.
Thank you. That's amazing.
I love it.
हाँ.
But still, there were quite a few people who couldn't help themselves. It's just said कि आपको बहुत पसंद आएगा. It's a hit and all that.
Oh,
So,
lovely, lovely.
so chalo, let's get to it. Faris Shafi is back. He's back. Umair Butt. I'm not sure we've heard him. And the
Familiar. I think we
Gadvi group. We have?
Hmm.
Okay, and the Gadvi group. So this now says Bad Vibe Miss A. Bad Vibe Miss A, presenting Faris Umair and Gadvi group, in Blockbuster. And it says curated produced by Zulfi, song narrative Zulfi and Faris Shafi, composed by Zulfi, Umair, Faris, and Shamroz Butt. Written by Faris plus Umair Butt plus Shamroz Butt plus Zulfi. Music arranged by Zulfi and Talal Qureshi. Oh,
all right.
Talal's beat, then so we know. It's a banger. It's a banger. Mastered by Chris Gehringer, associate music producer Abdullah Siddiqui. Video direction Zishan Parvez. Zishan Parvez is back from the last time. You remember? From the last season.
No. Acha.
Oh, okay.
I don't remember.
Okay, he's back. ठीक है. Let's do it.
Ready.
Blockbuster 1, 2, 3, play.
Coke Studio, Season 15.
Old film posters. Just.
आसपास कोई है ही नहीं.
Oh.
शहर विच चर्चे ने ओ खुले साडे खर्चे ने ओ जानदा जहाने सब नु सलामे मुंडे सारे अथरे ने ओ पिछला दुनिया नु ते अगली भी सुन लै तू ओ दिलां विच आवे सब नु पैगामे नींद दे सुतदे ने ओ खेलदे ने मुखड़े म्यूजिक ते हिलदे हिलदे मौसम जवाना महफिलां दी जान मुंडियां दे नखरे ने सदके जावां तेरे ओ नच थोड़ा आगे नेड़े ओ सब नु बुला लै मेरे को बुलाने एट वजदे ने
वे कुड़ता लिया मैं लुधियाणियों मैं सुनिया सी कहानियां वे मर जानिया वे बेबी रक्षा मैं करा लिया मैं तेरे वल्ले यारियां वे मर जानिया
दिल मेरा नचला नचला मेरे नचला नहीं दिल पर जानियो वे मर जानिया थोड़ा जिहा हसदे हसदे मेरे नचला नहीं दिल पर जानियो वे मर जानिया टोर वेग मित्रां दी ओ कख भी कोई फिकरा नहीं ओ बल्ले बल्ले शावा ओए ना वर्ल्ड वाइड चलदा है साडा ओए ओ गुणता प्यारा ओए ओ जचदा बाड़ा ओए ओ बीट हिट कर गई ਏ ਅੱਜ ਕਿੱਡੇ ਵਿੱਚ ਸਭ ਨੂੰ ਨਚਾਣਾ ਏ ਸਾਨੂੰ ਲੋਕੀ ਕਹਿੰਦੇ ਸੁਪ ਕੂਲ ਸਾਡਾ ਵੱਖਰਾ ਮਿਜ਼ਾਜ ਨਾਲੇ ਵੱਖਰੇ ਅਸੂਲ ਉਹ ਦਿਲਾਂ ਉੱਤੇ ਕਰਦੇ ਆ ਰੂਲ ਰੱਬ ਦੀ ਅਮਰੀਕਾ ਦੀ ਕੀਤਾ ਨਹੀਂ ਗਰੂਰ ਉਹ ਹਰ ਵਾਰੀ ਕਰਦੇ ਆ ਟ੍ਰੈਂਡ ਸੈੱਟ ਨਾਲ ਦੇਖ ਕੜਾ ਸੱਚੇ ਬੇਲੀਆਂ ਦਾ ਕਰੂ
वे कुड़ता लिया मैं लुधियाणियों मैं सुनिया सी कहानियां वे मर जानिया ओ क्यूटी तेनू मैं समझा लिया हुण छड़ दे वे फनकारियां दिल भर जानिया
दिल मेरे नचला लव मेरे नचला नी दिल पर जानिया वे मर जानिया थोड़ा जिहा हसदे हसदे लव मेरे नचला नी दिल पर जानिया वे मर जानिया
और छड़ फिकरां नु पीछे सुनो मेरे फिकरों में लिखे हुए किसे बैड वाइब मिस है that's right last night was the best मगर this night better act right नहीं तो you be inadmissible listen up I turn the music up आज पानी ऐसी खप मार दे हुलारे आयो नचने आ सारे गबरू जवान आके म्यूजिक नु वूफरां दे बापा सुन दे नहीं अज एना दियां कंप लैना जे तू साडे नाल बहना ਪੁੱਤ ਰਿਦਮ ਤੇ 24 ਘੰਟੇ ਸਾਡੇ ਨਾਲ ਰਹਿਣਾ ਹੈ ਤੇ 12 ਸਾਊਂਡ ਸੁਣ ਕੇ ਤੂੰ ਛੇਤੀ ਜਾਣ ਲੈਣਾ ਲਵ ਮੌਕਾ ਨਹੀਂ ਉਹ ਜਾਣ ਦੇਣਾ ਚੰਡੀਗੜ੍ਹ ਹੁਣ ਪਹੁੰਚੇ ਅਸੀਂ ਮਾਨਸੇਰਾ ਅੱਜ ਨੱਚੀਏ ਵੇ ਜਿਵੇਂ ਸਾਡੇ ਸਾਰਿਆਂ ਦੀ ਇਕੱਠੇ ਸਾਲ ਗੇਰਾ ਬੇਟਾ ਵੱਡੇ ਨਹੀਂ ਹੈ ਅੱਜ ਮੇਰੀ ਸੱਚ ਕੇ ਹਾਂ ਆਏ ਵੇਖ ਫੇਰ ਵੀ ਮੇਰੇ ਯਾਰ ਬੇਰਲੀ ਗਿਫਟ ਮੁਹੱਬਤਾਂ ਦੇ ਲਾਇਆ ਤਿਆਰੀਆਂ ਨਾਲ ਆਇਆ ਕਲੀਅਰਲੀ ਨੀਅਤਾਂ ਦੇ ਸੁਤਰੇ ਆ ਸਾਰੇ yours truly sincerely and I love it tension ਕਦੇ barely surely carefree ਇੱਕ ਦੂਜੇ ਦੇ ਸਹਾਰੇ ਆਪਾਂ ਸਾਰੇ ਤੇ ਮੁਬਾਰਕ ਹੋ now we know what life is all about ਖੁੱਲ੍ਹੇ ਨੇ ਸਾਰੇ ਬੂਏ ਭਾਵੇਂ ਰੋਜ਼ਾਨਾ ਆਓ my love
ਤੂੰ ਸਮਝੋ ਮੇਰੇ ਚ ਸਮਾ ਰਿਆ ਮੈਂ ਤੇਰੇ ਲਈ ਪਿਆਰਿਆ ਵੇ ਮਰ ਜਾਣਿਆ ਵੇ ਬੇਬੀ ਰਕਸ਼ਾ ਮੈਂ ਕਰਾ ਲਿਆ ਮੈਂ ਤੇਰੇ ਵੱਲੇ ਯਾਰਿਆ ਵੇ ਮਰ ਜਾਣਿਆ
ਮਰ ਜਾਣਿਆ ਵੇ ਮਰ ਜਾਣਿਆ
Blockbuster.
What? I'm like listening all the way to claps. I'm
Yes.
feeling it. You know,
What
कुछ
just
गाने होते
happened?
हैं कुछ गाने होते हैं उनको आप कम वॉल्यूम पे नहीं सुन सकते बिकॉज कम वॉल्यूम पे सुनोगे तो उसका इम्पैक्ट पूरी तरह नहीं पड़ता अगर
Yeah.
फुल वॉल्यूम पे ये वाला गाना सुनो ना इट साउंड्स completely different than even if it's 2 point lesser like I was listening to the song the moment it started it was थोड़ा सा कम volume okay normal volume पे था like it wasn't 100% I was at 80% and suddenly I'm like okay and in the middle suddenly like after one line I made it 100% immediately the song changed the song changed in my headphones I'm not even
That
kidding
happens.
like
Yeah.
you know there are certain songs which the vibe is when you listen to it full blast करके बोल blockbuster you know इस गाने में वो है amazing
I can't believe what they've done. Look at the set. The he got in the bus and it was different, and he got out of the bus and it was different. And this was didn't this feel like a one take? I feel like it couldn't have been
no yeah but
they're
it was
usually all one takes actually. All the bit. No. There
I
are
didn't notice
sorry.
that
There are
yeah
breaks.
I've
This
only
was
seen
this felt like a through and through one because that no point was at a pause
Didn't
because the only way they could have changed was when he was rapping
Huh.
in the bus and it didn't change because his rap went on. It didn't stop. There was no change of superimposed any scene or anything. And then the camera came out and they were in a different place. So was the bus moving?
वो scene work में देखना पड़ेगा I didn't notice it like because the moment one scene while they all might be in the bus but if say the POV changes from left to right oh okay already
It didn't
alright.
change. It was
Same.
only center.
Acha. I didn't notice that because well Faris Shafi was the center point right wherever he was walking wherever he was whatever
it
he was the
didn't change.
continuity literally basically of it yeah you may be right I didn't notice that
I'm just in shock because it wasn't just a set, it was venue after street after street, rickshaw
Correct.
aa raha hai. When the scooter came on, I was like, what? They have a scooter? You know, like sound, like they've done so much work on the sound in the final mix. All those sounds have gone. But scooter का sound तो आएगा ना, रिक्शे का sound तो आएगा, बस का sound भी आएगा. वो सब final उसमें बहुत वो हुआ है. But wow, whoa.
Yeah, the three ladies who were singing. Did you see how one of them who was standing on the right had that little lota, which she was, you know, that is so reminiscent of. I have seen like, you know, जब ढोल लेके आके सब ऐसे घर पे बैठ के, you know, गाने वाने गाते हैं, like just for a chill session. It's literally like that. चमचे आ जाती हैं. You know, all the
Yes.
utensils basically come out and everything like
Plate,
full percussion
chammach,
starts.
this
है ना?
lota.
Not plate. No, lotas come out because they're rounded, so they have like the sound this thing.
Yeah.
चम्मच for the ढोलकी का, you know, वो उसकी आवाज के लिए. लेकिन
I've seen
ओहो,
plate
मतलब
also. Plate पे also they start
plates
playing. Not to the
usually come
spoon,
out
but
only when normally when
थाली.
जैसे baby होता है. हाँ, थाली
Oh,
पीटते
okay.
सिर्फ only when baby is born then थाली पीटते हैं.
No, not
So-
beatoing, but playing it like a
अच्छा.
like a duffy
अच्छा,
with
like
a
a thing.
hand.
Oh, I've not seen
Yeah.
it. हाँ,
भी
हाँ.
होता-
I've only seen like ऐसे वाला and like the lotas. Oh my god, this is so fun
Too
though.
cute, too
So fun.
cute. What a
Even end में जो उन्होंने वो placards, full size placards with like that, you know, जैसे वो गांव के अंदर प्रोजेक्टर पे blockbuster फिल्में दिखाते हैं, like
Yeah.
या पहले
It
दिखाते
was
थे, I
that
don't know अगर
only.
अभी भी है ना? And the
was
way
that.
even for those that 15-second reel or whatever was playing in it, they'd even shot it at that different thing and they'd use that
Yeah.
as a promotional thing, no?
They did.
So when
It was on Instagram. Yeah.
जब वो देखा था, I was like, ये चल रहा
ये
है,
क्या हो रहा
ये क्या है?
Yeah, it
Now
confused
makes
me
sense.
because the teaser was a truck on a mountain
Yeah.
road. So I was like,
हाँ,
what is happening? So that teaser was fully confusing me because वो party bus
मुझे
लग
तो-
रही थी.
Correct.
For the
But
party
it clearly
bus.
was a party bus, jiske andar kood ke, like that whole
Yeah,
thing sequence
yeah.
happened. But I, with the teaser, had really thought कि they are going to be traveling और वो bus के अंदर shoot करके, like, you know,
मेरे को वही लग
mountain
रहा
पे
था.
वैसा कुछ होगा. But
Yeah.
clearly not. हाँ.
Clearly not. But that then they, after that truck teaser, they posted this clip wala teaser with this old
हाँ.
purani film and वो blockbuster,
Correct,
वो
correct.
poster type
That vibe.
style में लिख के आ रहा है. I was trying to read the Urdu and I was like, okay. So the thing with Urdu is it has the letters of Arabic, but they are
हाँ.
वो calligraphized version है उन letters का. So I can read Arabic better than I
अच्छा.
can read Urdu because the letters are twisted
हाँ.
in a different way in Urdu. So anyway, and
हाँ.
they also have some variations in the matras. Matras.
हाँ.
But it's hard to read. But I read, I was like, Balak. वो सब चल रहा था मेरा. And I was like, ये क्या है? And then I saw in the caption, I was like, oh, blockbuster. Okay,
Nice,
ठीक है.
nice,
But
nice.
very cute, very
And
cute.
shout out they gave to
Yes.
Ludhiana and to Chandigarh,
Chandigarh.
and to there was one more गांव which they spoke about Chandigarh के पास में जो है.
सेरान मेरान ऐसा कुछ
तेरा
था.
गांव? No what?
नहीं,
हाँ, something.
something सेरा
What
मेरा
was
ऐसा कुछ था.
हाँ.
मैसर? No, sorry. We'll see. We'll go over.
Mesram, yeah, हाँ, ऐसे.
Something like that.
Correct. So those, like, I've heard of these names around, like, you know, so it was a nice shout out to, like, you know, the whole of Punjab type, like, you know, different areas from there.
Yeah,
So it was
very
nice.
nice. It was very
Yeah.
nice. So I'm just going to quickly scroll frame by frame just for the video part of it.
Yes.
As soon as it
There were so
opened,
many wonderful things.
हाँ, वो पूरा wall poster से cover किया हुआ wall आया, which is so
हाँ.
again going back
हाँ.
to the old days. And just now we just recorded the magical
just-
journey of Chal Chaliye, and we were just talking about the era of the handmade posters and hand painted walls and all, and now we see it. So lovely. So it then shows this mohalle ka, you know, gully. There are
Tempo,
these two.
that LED wala tempo is like amazing.
That's amazing. Then he comes out of that door and he's like, yes.
Yeah, but what I didn't understand is who was he
I
saying
know.
all this to?
Just generally,
That was
hello
funny
world,
like
I'm here. I'm a star. You can stop clapping now.
Yeah.
Very cool. I liked. And I really liked his jacket. It was
The jacket was really nice. Yeah. The whole
funky
combo of
on the
like, you know,
kurta.
solid inside and like a light print thing on top. Very nice.
Very nice.
Yeah.
Then that mic came on the basket se mila, which was, I was like, what?
You've never seen ऐसे first floors पे long back से अभी भी I'm sure
They
होता
do
होगा.
it. I've
All
seen it.
grocery and stuff is used
Yeah.
ऊपर नीचे
Even
करने के लिए.
neighbors pass things to each other, na, with that. Yeah, it's very cute. So this is like a mohalla in like a chota sheher or gaon type situation, hai na? So painted walls hai, and then there was that thing where there was a word, and then the LED screen on the wall with the teeth made that kchuk sound. The teeth. What was that?
What sound?
Like whatever. वो जो ही था उधर, and that was hilarious. And then there was Farish Shafi on the charpai doing his thing.
I wonder what that teeth wala thing says though. Is it like dentist? Is it one of those dental dukans or something like that?
It
Like I want to
says-
know.
It says
Can you read
Shayan something Tisal clinic. It's a
Oh,
dental clinic.
dental clinic. Oh,
Yeah.
nice. Nice, Joe.
So,
You
I
actually
think-
read it.
The clinic,
nice.
I think, is readable for me.
Yeah.
The word before it. Anyway, so then Farish Shafi in the
Charpai.
pink.
हाँ.
Can I just say I love the fact that they chose pink for him. I just love it. I love it. I don't know why I'm just loving pink nowadays. As you can see, my bottle also, everything. And I used to hate pink as a child. Oh, I love your bottle. It's a gradient.
Shaded one.
Very nice, very nice. Okay, so then that happened. My God, how colorful was this mohalla? Firstly, and even the bed sheet and pillow cover on the charpai. I'm just seeing
Yes.
it. Oh my God,
Yeah.
beautiful.
Also like.
So he's he's got the malas and everything. His styling,
And with his,
Na?
yeah.
his
Correct.
signature haircut. You know who he
Is
reminded me
that
of?
Who?
You know Danish.
Guardians of the
Singh.
Galaxy. Oh, okay.
No, Danish. He really like this look. Just remember Danish. Anyway, so then he does his thing. He moves on, and then the ladies. For me,
Yes.
they stole it because them and the little girl. Everyone was great, but
Gorgeous.
just their vibe was so. I loved it. They made me smile. All three of them. And then how they
Literally,
got.
like, they added so much drama to the whole thing, na? Like the full ladies wala, it's wala feel like full because they're talking
brought the
about gidde mein
vibes.
sabko nachana hai, you know, ye wo sari baatein ho rahi hai. But the real element of gidda came from the
From
ladies.
them. And then when a rickshaw Lee and I'm coming for you and
Haan,
all that happened.
haan.
It's so too cute. And they actually got into a rickshaw, which I was shocked again after seeing the scooter. I was already like, okay,
A
then
lot
this
of
happened.
yeah, a lot of focus has been given to all the transport system in this particular song, ना?
That's
जैसे वो जो
true.
अलग-अलग जगह का वो होता है ना, इसमें सारे transport उन चीजों पे भी
But you
गौर
know
किया है.
that it is very nice that they're doing this because how beautiful are these are the things that add character to the country, you know,
Yeah.
to the entire region, because how beautifully painted are our rickshaws and trucks and everything, right?
Very
Um,
true. Very
it's
true.
it's
Even
actually art.
hand वाले जो yeah जो hand वाले rickshaws हैं with now like you know वो सब अब बदल रहे हैं. But you hardly find them because it's a very heavy laborious job. So now all of that is turning into like those you know solar and electric scooters and those kind
Yeah.
of things.
Yeah.
So all of it is changing. So there will come a time in very very soon and not even a you know like not even a decade
Ideas.
that हाँ 5 years में कि ये रिक्शा सिर्फ हमें ऐसे म्यूजिक वीडियोस में दिखेंगे. You know कि अच्छा
That
ऐसे
will be
भी
very
होता था.
sad. नहीं, that will be
Yeah.
very sad. But I think
Yeah.
शहरों में वो ज्यादा हो रहा है disappear, लेकिन
नहीं छोटे छोटे शहरों में I'm
छोटे
talking about
शहरों और
छोटे शहरों
गाँव में अभी भी है ना?
गांव में तो सब साइकिल पे होते हैं रिक्शा नहीं चलते वहाँ छोटे सिटीज में रिक्शा चलते हैं
वो
टाउन्स एंड
टेम्पोस
सिटीज में
जो होते हैं from one शहर to
टेम्पो
the
नहीं
other, right?
टेम्पो तो फिर उससे बड़ी वाली जगह पे चलते हैं उससे
Oh.
भी छोटी जगह पे जो ये हाथ वाले रिक्शाज होते हैं जहाँ पे यू नो वन वाले भैया is on आगे and like 2 people 4 people can sit पीछे that
It's also a
मतलब I
very
want to school in
a
these
very Punjab
it's
thing.
a very Punjab thing yeah
Because I remember when I went to the Wagah border, Amritsar से वहाँ पे we went to see that
हाँ.
whole changing of the guard or closing of the thing ceremony. उस जाते हुए there's a one particular dhaba where everyone stops and it is known for its colorful decor and there's a particular truck that is parked in the veranda of that dhaba which is
अच्छा
painted like, you know. So
Wow.
it is if I can dig out the photos, I'll dig them out and put them in the video. But it is so signature of this Punjab area. So that's what they
amazing.
try to show, which I think is lovely. You know.
हाँ,
So
I
anyway, so
agree. Like
they
I
did-
live half an hour from the border, so
you
I hear what
exactly
you're saying because I like
you see
back
some
home is there.
yeah, and that's a commonality again on the whole
Yeah,
like across the
everywhere.
border and here.
Correct.
So
Correct.
okay, so that happened. All the
Even the
dance.
जाली वर्क ना जो सारे दरवाजों पे जो छोटा छोटा जाली वर्क किया हुआ है जो छोटे छोटे वो वाली एलिमेंट्स है ना वो भी बहुत familiar हैं.
Yeah.
So and that is different in all the other videos what they've used versus this one that they have used. So that's also very interesting.
Very unique. And I just happened to pause at 150 and I'm seeing the Pasuri ka poster on a wall here. That's also stuck
Oh,
on the
well
20 other
well caught.
posters. So
हाँ.
that happened. But I must say that everyone popping into the frame at different points, how difficult was the choreography of this whole thing? Like
That's
insane,
true.
right? I'm just seeing, is
That's
there a choreography? Yes, quick style.
Oh, but
Choreography
then,
and movement
sorry,
direction.
I want to go back and talk about that Pasuri wala moment that you've caught,
Yeah,
like you landed up
150.
catching. It is also so, it's in the dark. It's not like उसपे कोई focus है. It's not like उसपे कोई, you know, nice, yummy. It's not like it's in the center or any such thing. So because it's so by the way, like, you know, the whole view is very by the way. And it's a fully, you will miss it if you don't really see
Yeah.
it. Like, you
Yeah.
know, it's one of those. So ऐसी एक element को इतना focus करना कि back end में आप इतना उसको भी डाल रहे हो, whereas you know कि वहाँ पे it will also not be lit, it will also not be focused. So there is a full 100% chance of missing it because it's barely blink of an eye and miss.
Yeah.
So still to you know to put that detailing.
That
Amazing.
we've seen in that you know the art direction and that whole team, it doesn't, I think to them it's more of a thing कि हम करेंगे चाहे वो miss हो नहीं हो लेकिन हम करेंगे because we want to add these little elements. They are also
Correct.
it's like their
But
signature.
seeing it again makes us realize it again, no?
Yeah,
Because
I
it's
agree.
like, you know,
I love it.
like each video per video, that element is not changing. It is consistent and like,
Yeah.
you know, it's actually visual, which is amazing.
Yeah, the sprinkling of the listen. There's one point, and then it moves into that frame where he is standing in front of these two boys in a room. It's like an arcade or game room,
हाँ,
and they're playing
हाँ,
carom. Amazing. वो कैरम नहीं है, उसमें एक और दूसरा मतलब वो स्ट्राइकर
Billiards?
कुछ
या उसके
नहीं,
बाद में?
उस
अच्छा.
उनका स्ट्राइकर थोड़ा बड़ा था. We have the small striker where we just do this, but theirs was like a ring or it was larger in size. So I don't know. Is it carom or is it some other game that we don't know about? Tell us.
Okay.
Then the oh bale bale. Then there's pool. Then there's the pool table. He moves out and he comes into the outside area. Faris Shafi is dancing away there. Now the way Faris follows him
Yeah.
and then
This
climbs
particular is
all
full
these.
one shot. Yeah.
Yeah, है ना?
हाँ,
Oh my
मैं
God,
भी
I
वही
was
देख रही थी।
thinking, I was thinking if they're actually shooting and Faris is doing all
हाँ,
this jumping and running up the truck and climbing on top of these vehicles and all that is happening,
हम्म,
how is he going to sing? Won't he be out of breath? You know? And then he went into his whole verse
So
after.
I don't think it's, I don't know. I still have a thing that maybe it's not like maybe it's recorded separately and then video is shot separately because there's so much noise happening. It cannot be a sync sound of that spot. It
I think
needs
their
to be like,
vocals were recorded on live because that is a thing that they do with like they specifically do it. So they are
but there's so much noise. Like even when you're dancing, even like you know, feet stomping, all that, none of it is there. So how is it possible that while you're singing and you're dancing, and आपके जो you know जो पैरों का ताल होती है when you're dancing and you're making all that shuffle sound and everything, how is that not there?
and
So it can't be
how are these
live
mics
sync.
not picking up the sound at
No,
the
it's
back?
impossible. That is impossible. So I think it's, I don't know. Maybe BTS team, please address this. This is a very important question. We really need to know.
Okay, so I also think that there's a cut here. It's not one shot
Yeah.
because now I'm
Huh.
seeing when he gets into the bus, the camera movement from the outside to the inside, there is definitely a cut there. He can't have climbed
Acha.
up that way. And then when the camera comes out, now he's in the performance area with the stage and
Huh.
the cars and everyone. So ठीक है,
Huh.
वहाँ पे cut है. It's not a one shot.
Nee, that doesn't look like a cut. It's a cut bus. So it's a smooth movement. It's one to the other.
I think it looks like a cut. They could have easily
No.
cut there and put another
No,
like
okay,
shot
to me it
there.
didn't look like a cut. To me it looked like a
Okay.
absolutely smooth this thing. मतलब it's not a complete bus, right? आगे से वो कटी होगी. So like वो उसका shot वैसे planned है. So yeah, to me I'm going with it's a smooth this thing. They didn't cut it.
I'm going with it's a
That's
cut.
fine.
Y'all,
You're
we'll
good,
come to
huh?
know the BTS.
Yeah, we'll come to know.
है ना?
Exactly. Huh.
Then he lands at this place where the gaon has people have collected. You saw the
No, so
standing.
overall video, no. I'm talking about that particular coming in and out of the bus thing that
Okay,
you're talking
okay.
about.
Yeah.
That's a smooth thing. Like, yeah, huh. Sorry, what were
Okay.
you saying? People are
So
standing where?
no, वो जो life size उनके वो बने
हाँ,
हुए
cutouts
हैं.
हैं. हाँ.
Oh my God, shocking, so big. But yeah, all six of them, 3 on one side, 3
Yeah.
on the other.
So do you know
Very-
गाँव वगैरह के अंदर जब कोई बहुत ही ऐसे सेलिब्रिटी टाइप पर्सन आ रहे होते हैं
Yeah,
या कुछ ऐसे
के
होते हैं
बना
वहाँ पे
देते
अभी भी ये होता है
Yeah.
like you know big cutouts or larger than life whatever
Yeah.
so it's very even their backdrop
Wow.
and with the whole kaleidoscope kind of look with the you know whole Coke Studio symbol on it and stuff like that's very nice.
Listen, कितना इस वीडियो में उन्होंने किया है, I just cannot. I just can't. Just look at the
Very full
detailing.
detail.
It's so
Yeah.
full. That bus itself, look at the insides of the bus. I shocks. ये कहाँ all this, all the lights and the wallpaper and the seat covers and everything, and then those dancers are also hiding there, and then they're coming and doing what all they have done in this video. My God, all those LED lights which are changing color on the ceiling. It's all so loud, you know. So sometimes you think like it's so loud, but then that is the essence of the land and the people and the thing, and it's just beautifully like
Yeah, like I don't
beautifully
find it loud.
captured.
Maybe because it's natural, like it's I'm so used to it. So I hear what you're saying. Like if for
Yeah.
a second I switch perspective and look at it, like it's true, you know, for people who are not from there, no wonder most people like who are very shant and all, you know, there's certain cultures are very shant. They look at Punjabis are so loud. And I'm like, not really, theek hi to hai. But I get it. I get that, you know, jab-
Hello.
Wait,
Yeah.
Adat.
You're
It's a
allowed.
adat, like, you
It's
know?
Adat. You're used to
Yeah,
it.
it's yeah,
Uh,
anything lesser than that, and I'm like, yaar, kitte boring log hai. Like, you know, that's what happens. So the
Okay.
other perspective of it is that I look at others and I'm like, they don't know how to celebrate. Like, unke celebrations maybe mujhe boredom dikhti hai. So
nahi, that's not cool.
now,
Yeah.
which now I have come to recognize that everyone has a different way. But when I was younger, and this is the only thing I knew,
Yeah.
I used to literally be like, but why aren't they celebrating? Like, but why aren't they dancing?
Yeah.
Like, you know,
Because you didn't know any other way. Yeah.
yeah, and in like shadis or any celebrations at my place or around my area, you don't have to call people. You know,
Yeah,
you don't
yeah,
have
yeah,
to
yeah.
call people to get up and start dancing.
No, no. It's a
Like
that's a
it was
Punjabi thing.
everyone.
But
Huh.
that's completely
then
like
I went
Punjabis
to-
are known for it. They know how to celebrate. Like
No,
that's
and
your
then I went to some shadis in which the poor compare. मतलब उसकी आवाज गला बैठ गया लोगों को उठा के बुला के और तब भी कोई आ नहीं रहा है ना मतलब कि क्या कर रहे हैं लोग इनके घर की शादी है उठ क्यों नहीं देंगे so I get it like you
yeah.
know yeah
It's very different. It's also
हाँ.
like I've also attended South Indian weddings. And listen, they are
वो
very
तो 5 मिनट में
different.
खत्म हो जाती हैं हाँ
वो मतलब उसमें
And,
सेलिब्रेशन मीन सबको खाना खिलाओ शांति से
हाँ
बातें कम करो
हाँ.
just You know, it's such
वही
a
तो
quiet
उसका
affair, but they love that. They revel in
and
that,
that's
and they're
when
not,
cultural acceptance happens.
yeah,
You know,
exactly.
when you experience different these
Yeah,
things, and then you slowly come to that point where you're like, no, whichever culture you're getting into, pause and enjoy what they are doing, and rango
yeah,
in that rang, and
exactly.
now have fun with that.
Yeah,
So yeah, learning
absolutely.
graph for
And
me
then,
was college and post college. Very quickly that happened.
yeah, no, for sure, because
Yeah,
it's obviously when you've just been
yeah,
surrounded by that, that's the only way you know. There is so much
correct.
this thing, but I've always gravitated towards the Punjabi music and the Punjabi culture because I feel like I just love the carefreeness. I love it. I love the
Yeah,
fact that they're loud in their celebration and that किसी को बुलाना नहीं पड़ता है. They don't need an excuse,
that's
you
true.
know. I
Yeah,
love it.
ज्यादा हटाना पड़ता है कि बस अंकल जी हो गया आपका,
हो
बस
गया.
बस हो गया आपका.
अब ढोल वाले को भेज दे, उसका लंच टाइम हो गया है. You know.
Oh no,
Yeah.
हाँ.
So anyway,
ढोल वाला
so
also does नाटक, हाँ पैसे के लिए, फिर उसको
हाँ,
और
वो
पैसे
तो
के लगे रहते हैं.
all those nakhras are also part of it, you know. Everyone knows ki wo natak
Exactly.
hoga.
Yeah,
I love it. So no, so I'm saying it's all
yeah,
just so loud, even visually.
yeah,
The way they've kind of like there is no color scheme. There's no color scheme. It's all the
yeah,
colors, all the
yeah.
colors as much as you can fill them in.
The theme is pop of color.
The theme is pop, but again, something that we also notice in Magrona is the walls are subdued, you know, in their
Yeah,
color. Like they're
yeah,
not loud.
correct.
The walls, the windows are loud, the wall colors are not. The
Yeah,
lights are loud, but the
yeah,
surrounding, like the thing is not in your face. So the clothes are loud. The clothes are very loud, which is lovely. This I'm looking at the three ladies. So cute. Okay, so that and the little girl who came in
cute.
for like this thing, perfect, like those lines could have been sung you know, just essay, like
By
by
anyone,
the ladies
exactly,
also,
exactly.
by either of the two singers, but very nicely uh that flavor was added. So cute. And the word
And then
also
we
she said
pop it
cutie.
to know, cutie, exactly. All the backstories.
Yes.
Kyun that little girl, kyun the ladies, kyun the, like, I want to
Who
know,
are
like,
they? Where are they from? The Garvi group,
yeah, yeah,
and yeah, and how this how these flavors came together for this song is what I'm very interested in
correct.
knowing. Faris is so known for his style of rap. And what was that comment you were telling me before we started recording? tell tell everyone.
By now everyone must have already read it. That the very
हाँ,
fact that so I was scrolling and it was impossible कि ये वाला गाना pop up नहीं होगा, right? So लेकिन मैंने सब कुछ silence पे किया हुआ है
yeah,
for such
same.
moments only, so that वो नहीं आए. लेकिन one of the first comments which I read was that I think just in this song itself, the fact that Faris Shafi has not abused, Coke Studio has already won it.
Achieve
The fact that there was
achieve
not
the
even one
impossible.
abuse,
Yeah,
not one. Like not one.
ऐसे
And
है.
Faris Shafi, that is not one.
But
It is like, wow, wow, well done.
नहीं
Not
पर
even any
वो
beeping. It's
हाँ
not like,
नहीं पर वो last season में भी दो गाने में Faris Shafi was there and he did the same. So I think Coke Studio is the only
yeah,
platform where
Foxy.
he yeah, it's
Correct. Suddenly he like gears up and all and comes for it.
because it's impossible. It's impossible. The man can't help himself. He has to sprinkle those words in, but very
But
nice. I like.
his rhythm, his sense of rhythm, his
Yeah.
sense of his delivery, I have always admired it.
Yes. His
And
musicality.
it's just too good. Like
Yeah.
the whole fact that the way he was walking and the way he was like, his rhythm itself, you get to know the way the person moves.
Yeah.
And his rhythm, normally a person would move very differently. And for him, the rhythm was so natural to move the way he was moving. And you
Yeah.
could see it. You could
Yeah.
see with his, that was
He
quite
really
interesting.
like just owns the frame when he's in it, you know. He's
Yeah,
got that
yeah.
thing about him. He's got that
Yeah.
presence. He's got that
Effortless, and
vibe.
also
Yeah.
effortless singing and like doing
Yeah.
that.
And I'm just gonna see how long quickly the thing is from when he starts that verse till the time he ends it. So it's 2:56 or 3:01 chalo. 3:01 se leke by the time he gets out of the bus and to the girl, it's 56. So it's a minute long, more than a minute.
Hmm.
Okay, so it's a minute long. And he just flowed with it. I love it. So again, my question comes in here. What was it live? Was it live sound? Was it recorded live? Was a live recording used in the final mix, or was it recorded later? Because it is very difficult for us to fathom how with all these transport vehicles, it can be live sound, you know?
Yeah, I don't think it can be live sound. Like
Yeah.
my thing for this is कि वो पहले record करके और फिर उसको जैसे normally shoot करते हैं, तो उन्होंने वैसे उसको shoot किया है. लेकिन
Mm.
definitely ये probably one shot के अंदर shoot किया है. इस particular गाने का जो vibe और feel उन्होंने create किया है, that is there. Because I was just rewatching it from the start and वो लग रहा है कि like एक ही shot में करा है.
Really? Listen, it'll
Yeah.
break my heart if it is a pre-recorded song that has just been shot later, because that is not I'm keeping my fingers crossed that the BTS tells us something else. That's all I'm gonna say.
Chalo, let's hope. Yeah.
Yeah, because
And if they
you
don't
know,
address it, then now that most of them follow you, so please can you just put that question out? इसको reel बना के वहाँ पे डाल देना so that हमें सवाल का जवाब मिल
please
जाए.
tell us. So this again, like how much we marveled. It was one of the things that we marveled at in season 14. That
Yeah.
oh my god, with the moving walls and with all this,
Yeah.
they've got live sound and how have they captured it right from Tu Jhoom, from the beginning of that season. So if that element is not there, then that will be very heartbreaking because that's the whole like challenge of it. How do we
I think
achieve that
no,
with
of
all
all the
this?
dance wala things, like when you're counting down and you're like 5, 6, 7, 8, and then all that sound, कहाँ है वो sound इसमें?
वो
वो कैसे
उन्होंने
हो सकता
वो डांस वाले एलिमेंट्स उन्होंने बाद में शूट करके वो वीडियो में विजुअल एडिट में
है?
फाइनल
But ये
आया
तो
है
one, but
पर
ये तो one
सॉन्ग
cut वाला video है.
नहीं ये नहीं आई एम टॉकिंग लाइक दैट डांस वाला दैट वी सॉ क्विक स्टाइल डूइंग इन मगरोला
हाँ.
दैट वाज
नहीं, I'm
सो
talking
आई
about
थिंक
this. इसमें भी तो dancers है ना? बहुत सारे
हाँ
dancers
नो सो
properly
दैट्स व्हाट आई
dance
एम
कर
सेइंग
रहे
आई
हैं
आई
and
काइंड ऑफ
dancers,
एग्री
हाँ.
विद यू कि वो हो नहीं सकता वो थोड़ा इम्पॉसिबल लग
Hmm.
रहा है एंड देन दैट ब्रेक्स माय हार्ट सो अ लिटिल बिट सो let's see what it is
To
about.
mend the broken heart, they've given one shot, so it's okay.
Like opposite. One amazing thing was so now we will let's quickly just go over the lyrics and then we'll get into the BTS. Okay, so lyrics are here with the translation. Amazing. Lyricsrag.com. Thank you. Okay, share with चर्चे ने there are rumors in the city खुले साडे खर्चे ने ਜਾਂਦਾ ਜਹਾਨ ਐ ਸਭ ਨੂੰ ਸਲਾਮ ਐ ਮੁੰਡੇ ਸਾਰੇ ਅਥਰੇ ਨੇ ਪਿੱਛੇ ਲਾਇਆ ਦੁਨੀਆ ਨੂੰ ਤੇ ਅਗਲੀ ਵੀ ਸੁਣ ਲੈ ਤੂੰ ਦਿਲਾਂ ਵਿੱਚ ਆਮ ਐ ਸਭ ਨੂੰ ਪੈਗਾਮ ਐ ਨੀਅਤ ਦੇ ਸੁਥਰੇ ਨੇ ਉਹ ਖੁੱਲਦੇ ਨੇ ਮੁਖੜੇ ਮਿਊਜ਼ਿਕ ਤੇ ਹਿਲਦੇ ਮੌਸਮ ਜਵਾਨ ਐ ਮਹਿਫਲਾਂ ਦੀ ਜਾਨ ਐ ਮੁੰਡਿਆਂ ਦੇ ਨਖਰੇ ਨੇ ਸਦਕੇ ਜਵਾਨ ਤੇਰੇ ਉਹ ਨੱਚ ਥੋੜਾ ਆ ਕੇ ਨੇੜੇ ਸਭ ਨੂੰ ਬੁਲਾ ਲੈ ਮੇਰੇ ਕੋਲ ਪਲਾਨ ਹੈ ਆਟੋ ਆਟ ਵੱਜਦੇ ਨੇ ਉਹ this is Shafi's part I think ਕੁਰਤਾ
हाँ.
ਲੈ
ये
ਆਈਆਂ
जो
ਮੈਂ ਲੁਧਿਆਣਿਓ
हाँ.
कुर्ता ले आया मैं लुधियाने मैं सुनिया सी कहानियां वे मर जानिया वे बेबी रिक्शा मैं करा लिया मैं तेरे वल आ रहा वे मर जानिया दिल मेरा मेरे नचले नाल मेरे नचले नी दिल भर जानिया वे मर जानिया थोड़ा जया हंसते नाल मेरे नचले नी दिल भर जानिया वे मर जानिया okay I know I'm ruining it sorry I'm just trying to I want to get to his verse also ਤੌਰ ਵੇਖ
हाँ.
ਪਿਤਰਾ ਦੀ ਕੱਖ ਵੀ ਕੋਈ ਫਿਕਰਾ ਨਹੀਂ ਉਹ ਬੱਲੇ ਬੱਲੇ ਸ਼ਾਵਾ ਵੇ ਨਾਮ ਵਰਲਡ ਵਾਈਡ ਚੱਲਦਾ ਏ ਸਾਡਾ ਵੇ ਉਹ ਕੁਰਤਾ ਪਿਆਰਾ ਵੇ ਉਹ ਜੱਚਦਾ ਵੱਡਾ ਵੇ ਬੀਟ ਹਿੱਟ ਕਰ ਗਈ ਏ ਅੱਜ ਗਿੱਧੇ ਵਿੱਚ ਸਭ ਨੂੰ ਨਚਾਣਾ ਏ ਸਾਨੂੰ ਲੋਕੀ ਕਹਿੰਦੇ ਸੁਪਰ ਕੂਲ ਸਾਡਾ ਵੱਖਰਾ ਮਿਜ਼ਾਜ ਨਾਲੇ ਵੱਖਰੇ ਉਸੂਲ ਉਹ ਦਿਲਾਂ ਉੱਤੇ ਕਰਦੇ ਆ ਰੂਲ ਰੱਬ ਦੀ ਆ ਮਿਹਰ ਕਦੀ ਕੀਤਾ ਨੀ ਗੁਰੂਰ ਉਹ ਹਰ ਵਾਰੀ ਕਰਦੇ ਆ ਟ੍ਰੈਂਡ ਸੈੱਟ ਨਾਲ ਵੇਖ ਖੜਾ ਸੱਚੇ ਬੇਲੀਆਂ ਦਾ ਕਰੂ Damn. Okay, and then ਕੁਰਤਾ ਲਾਇਆ ਮੈਂ ਲੁਧਿਆਣਿਆ ਮੈਂ ਸੁਣੀਆਂ ਸੀ ਕਹਾਣੀਆਂ ਵੇ ਮਰ ਜਾਣੀਆਂ ਉਹ ਕਿਊਟੀ ਤੈਨੂੰ ਮੈਂ ਸਮਝਾ ਰਿਹਾ that's what she gave it very cute ਹੁਣ ਛੱਡ ਦੇ ਵੇ ਫਨਕਾਰੀਆਂ ਵੇ ਮਰ ਜਾਣੀਆਂ ਦਿਲ ਮੇਰੇ ਨਚਲੇ okay then I think Faris came back bad vibe miss ਹੈ ਸਾਨੂੰ ਮੇਰੇ ਫਕਰਾਂ ਵਿੱਚ ਲਿਖੇ ਹੋਏ ਕਿੱਸੇ bad vibe miss hai that's right last night was the past magar this night better act right nahi you'll be inadmissible listen up I turn the music up aaj pani 80 cup marda holare aao nachne sare गबरू जवान आके म्यूजिक ਨੂੰ ਵੂਫਰਾਂ ਤੇ ਪਾ ਆਪਾਂ ਸੁਣਦੇ ਨਹੀਂ ਅੱਜ ਇਹਨਾਂ ਦੀਆਂ ਕੰਪਲੇਨਾਂ ਜੇ ਤੂੰ ਸਾਡੇ ਨਾਲ ਬਿਨਾ ਹੈ Today we're not listening to any whining if you want to chill with us. Okay. Put rhythm te 24 ਘੰਟੇ ਸਾਡੇ ਨਾਲ ਰਹਿਣਾ ਹੈ ਇੱਥੇ ਬਾਹਰੋਂ ਸਾਊਂਡ ਸੁਣ ਕੇ ਤੂੰ ਛੇਤੀ ਜਾਨ ਲੈਣਾ ਹੈ ਨਾਲ ਮੌਕਾ ਨਿਓ ਜਾਨ ਦੇਣਾ ਹੁਣ ਚੰਡੀਗੜ੍ਹ ਪਹੁੰਚੇ उससे मनसेरा मनसेरा
Mansera गाँव.
आजा नज्जे वे जीवा सारियां दी कत्थे सालगिरह बेटा बर्थडे नहीं है आज मेरी सज के हाँ आया वेखो फिर भी मेरे यार बेली गिफ्ट मुहब्बतां दे लाया ਤਿਆਰੀਆਂ ਨਾਲ ਆਇਆ clearly ਨੀਅਤ ਤੇ ਸੁਤਰਿਆ yours truly sincerely and I love it love tension ਕਦੇ barrel surely carefree ਇੱਕ ਦੂਜੇ ਦੇ ਸਹਾਰੇ ਆਪਾਂ ਸਾਰੇ ਤੇ ਮੁਬਾਰਕ ਹੋ now we know what life is all about ਖੁੱਲੇ ਨੇ ਸਾਰੇ ਬੂਵੇ ਬੂਵੇ all our doors are
ਬੂਹੇ।
open ਬੂਏ
ਹਮ।
पावे रोजाना आओ माय लव तो somehow मेरे चे समा रही है मैं तेरे लाई गाड़ियां वे मर जानिया वे बेबी रिक्शा में करा लिया मैं तेरे okay दिल भर जानिया is the last word very cute song I mean the lyrics are just fun they're just the party's on we're all here this is who we are
And
very
if there's
nice.
anyone who's like ठीक था गाना आप loud enough volume पे नहीं सुन रहे इसलिए आपको ठीक लग रहा है आप loud करो volume increase it तभी मजा आएगा
Just get with it. Well done. Actually, that's a very good thing you pointed out because that happens with quite a few songs. That
Yeah,
the minute you
yeah.
increase the volume, it hits differently.
Yeah.
And with a song like this, for sure, for sure.
Yeah.
So I'm kind of glad that Coke Studio is not allowing us. Let me just say that.
Yes.
है ना? जब भी वो होता है तो we are
Thank
like, thank God,
Thank you for that.
thank God.
Thank you.
Yeah.
हाँ.
But
कोई बात नहीं
also,
अभी BTS बचा है BTS में जो इमोशनल कहानियां निकलती हैं आधा अगर अगर गाना नहीं आपको रुलाता है तो BTS रुला देता है
वो
तो
तो
it's
अभी
okay.
हो चुका है
Wait.
हमारे साथ, yes.
अभी होगा इस गाने के बाद भी hope let's see.
Love it.
हाँ.
Listen, let's get to the BTS because there'll be so
I'm
much that'll
ready.
come out about this song, है ना?
Yes.
Chalo,
Yes.
it is
I'm
a
excited.
blockbuster, guys, and we'll see you with the BTS. Nothing else to say. Live long and prosper. So we are back, by the way. I'll just start from there. We just checked the channel. The BTS is not out. What?
क्या नाइंसाफी हो गई है What is this? What is this? What is this?
Even though the song was released one day early, the BTS is still not out. What? Why? What is happening? Listen, Coke Studio is really messing with our schedule. I'm just saying.
हाँ अब वो हमारे स्केड्यूल के हिसाब से चलेंगे ना अपने ओहो ओहो
No, but we made our
हम तो
schedule
कहना चाहिए
after
Yeah.
seeing their schedule,
Yes, that's
We
true, that's
fixed
true.
Tuesday as our day to record
Yeah,
because we knew कि
yeah.
Monday को आएंगे BTS. अब
कितना
2
crazy
हफ्ते
होगा
से
ना कि
हमारे साथ धोखा हो रहा है. हाँ?
कितना
What?
क्रेजी होगा कि अभी हम रिफ्रेश करें और अभी आ जाए like
I will be very
how
upset.
crazy would that be why upset I'm saying like while we're talking and suddenly it's there
Oh, like
like
that.
if it was
Then I'll be
this-
happy. Yeah.
yeah
But they dropped the last BTS Monday नहीं आया, Tuesday नहीं आया, I think Wednesday या Thursday रात को somewhere around midnight I saw it pop up on YouTube and I was like ये क्या हो रहा है? Like what?
Oh.
So कुछ तो चल रहा है back end में, we don't know. But because the BTSs for Chal Chal Ye had started appearing on Instagram and I'm trying to ignore them and not look and keep the volume off, because I was like, till we don't have the main BTS, I don't want to get into this thing.
yeah
And then the BTS came randomly in the middle of the night. So what is happening?
right like I'm still hitting refresh again and again trying to see कि कहीं आ ना जाए but नहीं you're right
Just
ऐसा
still
नहीं होने वाला
hopeful.
ऐसा थोड़ा होगा
Still
हाँ.
hopeful. No, but I feel then whatever we could sort of like break down or discuss about the song we have done. I'm just very
Yeah.
curious to know about the Garvi group, the little girl, the ladies, Faris and Umair, and how this song actually came together. And I'm very curious to know about the video element of it, how the choreography and whether it was a one-shot video and whether the live sound was the live actual final sound. That.
Right, yeah
वो मुद्दा है अभी. So
अब ये
so अब ये
wait
कब
करना
हमारी
पड़ेगा.
curiosity वो होगी, we don't know. So it is now Tuesday. Again, I'll just repeat it before we end the video that we kept Tuesday as our recording day because we were under the impression that by Monday both the videos of that week's song will be out. If they are not, it's very difficult to find time during the week that both of us can coordinate and meet at. So we then will get to the BTS like we did for Chal Chal Ye a week late.
Yeah.
Which also then pains me because I'm like, Get to it quicker.
पूरे हफ्ते दिन you can't like see any of the stories or like
Yeah.
not do all that. वो भी
Yeah.
होता है.
Also, this is now song 7. So you realize that the closer we get towards the, and now we're in the second half of the season.
Then पूरे कितने गाने आने वाले हैं?
11.
What is that?
So now I'm getting sad.
In
Sadness
my
has
head, I
started.
was like, oh, I was thinking 16 songs.
I wish, but
Oh,
I've heard
no.
11. So it's very sad now that I'm thinking about it. It's like, what? But we just started getting into the rhythm of it, and now it's going to end in like a month. Wait, 8, 9, 10, 11. 4 songs. Exactly 1 month more. That's it. Then what are we going to do with our lives? Guys, start thinking about your future.
Then
will also.
we will take the meaning of what the songs have been telling us,
Yeah.
or go with the flow, expand your life, all those things we're talking about, finding the balance between work and play and life in general, all that.
For another
We're gonna
2
put it
years.
action.
No, nahi.
I
No.
hope अगले साल ऐसे ये भी हो सकता है 2 साल ना हो, 1 साल में आ जाए.
Hopefully. We to live on hope. So what else is there in our lives?
देखो उम्मीद पे दुनिया कायम है, तो why
Yes.
not?
So, but guys,
Yeah.
y'all, let's make our peace with the fact that we are in the second half of this season, and it's all going to come to an end very soon. So let's savor these moments and these weeks. I'm to now going to have Blockbuster on loop for this week till we get to the BTS.
Yes.
Yeah, and I'm cutting reels of our fun moments from these. I'm putting
Very
those on
cute.
Instagram
Yeah.
just so we can
Yeah.
relive. Today only I put one 2 a.m. wala again.
I saw that one. Nice it was.
People be
Yes.
like, "Hello, वो निकल गया." I'm like, "Yes, लेकिन मेरे पास time नहीं है जब time
That's
मिलता है."
हमें नहीं पता लगा कि वो निकल गया. हमें तो पता ही नहीं था. What? Okay, sorry. I'm
When
gonna
I
stop
find
doing
time
that.
and I actually watch our reactions again because I'm like, "Ooh, we said this. I want to highlight it." So then I cut a reel quickly and I put it. So anyway,
Very
ठीक है. Those will keep appearing over the year, and then we'll keep reliving those moments. Chalo, Blockbuster on loop this week. We will see you all in the magical journey. Until then, take care of yourselves, live long and prosper.
Bye.